Okay, we want to talk about area lights within Vizrt T5. We've got our scene set up. We've got a couple of elements within the scene that we can light, and we're going to add an area light. So we've added a new group here within our scene. We're going to go down into our plugins and look for the Light V4 plugin, and we're going to drag that onto our container. We're going to click onto our light icon to go into the editor, and we're going to change this to area light. Now, an area light is defined by this square area, and it sends out light equally into the square's main direction without any fall off. So they can be used to simulate flat light panels or rays from a portal light. These kind of lights do not emit any shadows. So within our light settings, we have our option for color here. We could change a color. Let's change it to green. And then we have also an intensity. We have a diffuse intensity, and we have our enable shadows, which does not allow you to turn it on because the area light, you cannot do shadows. Now, as mentioned, this could be used to simulate a light panel or something like that. So within our scene here, what we're going to do is push this way back in Z space, and you can see as we do that how it affects the floor here. And if we move it along the floor, you can see that it's not going to cast any shadows. But if we move it back into Z space here, we can have it affect the wall as well, and we can move it up on that wall. We could also come and adjust the scaling of this as well. So if we needed to make this a skinnier light, make it a little bit longer, and then we want to reposition this along this back panel here, we could place it somewhere like that. To copy a container, you just click Control, click and drag, and we could just copy that right and move that to the other side. This area light is affected by the position. It's affected by your rotation, and it's also affected by the scaling. So that's how you use an area light.